You got it? All right. You got it, man. I just made it to Detroit. I guess this guy lost some money, $20. He was trying to get it from the streets, but he got it. I don't have a lot of time here. This is a quick stop. So far, I am loving it. Nice little restaurant. So from Cleveland to here, it took me 2 hours and a half to get to Detroit. You got it? All right. You got it, man. I just made it to Detroit. I guess this guy lost some money, $20. He was trying to get it from the streets, but he got it. So Detroit, Michigan. So I'm gonna go find somewhere to park, take a quick walk around, and then we'll go from there. All right. All right, so we found parking. It wasn't too bad this time. It was only $9. So we paid the $9, and now I'm taking a walk. Detroit, Michigan, baby. So I don't have a lot of time here. This is a quick stop. Let's see. So far, I am loving it. Looks very nice. Skyline over there. Little Caesars. It's at world headquarters. I guess is that a stadium there? Maybe for baseball. Yeah, it is. The stadium's right over there. That looks very nice. It's a shop. I guess you would get your jerseys in here for baseball and anything Detroit you would get in here. Here we go. And this is where you get in. Detroit Tigers. For the baseball, for baseball, this is where you would go in. As I've said before in my videos, I'm not a big baseball guy. But if baseball is your thing, this is where you would come. This is a really nice stadium. Oh, Rocket Mortgage. Again. Comerica Park. Rocket Mortgage. What's up with the Tigers? They're everywhere. I don't know, let's see what we can see inside this arena here. Obviously it's closed now, but let's see if we can take a quick peek. I don't know if you can see that, but not much to see because the barriers. As you can see, like I said, parking here is $12. And I'm sure it's only because there's nothing going on today. If they had a baseball game or a basketball game or anything going on here right now, I bet you it'd be like $90. That's how they do it. It'd be like 90 bucks, maybe more. then I'm gonna go around to the basketball arena. We're gonna turn around and go see the arena for basketball and see what that's like. Caesars Arena is right down there. On my way back, we'll stop there. I guess this is like a park or something right there. There's a water feature over there. And this pizza joint. Let me see what's in here. Alright, so because I don't have a lot of time here in Detroit, so we stopped at this pizza place to get a few slices and also use the restroom, and then of course we'll finish the tour. We'll take a quick look and everything, and then we're gonna hit the road again. We're going to Chicago. We're going back to Chicago. So this is a nice little place right here. Nice little bar. And then they have. All good? Oh, you guys are dining in? Oh yeah, we are. Nice little restaurant. So from Cleveland to here, it took me 2 hours and a half to get to Detroit. And then from Detroit to Chicago, according to the map, it's gonna take me 4 hours and a half. So I got another 4 hours and 30 minutes of driving before I get back to Chicago. All right, so I'm gonna take a walk. You know, I have to go see the basketball arena over there. We saw the.
We live, baby. We live.
We live. We saw the. We saw the baseball arena over there, and now I need to go see the basketball. So I said I was gonna stop here for just 1 hour. That didn't work out. It's already about an hour and a half. I am running behind on schedule. But that's how it works, man. Never goes according to plan. You just have to learn to go with it. You make plans, and just know it's not gonna go the way you plan. You know, it's gonna be some changes. You just have to go with it. So I'm behind on schedule, and what that means is the time that I thought that I was going to be in Chicago, I thought I was going to be in Chicago by, 5 o'clock, but now that's not likely. All right, that's nice. I don't know if it's me. I feel like there should be more people on the streets. It feels empty. I mean, it is a Wednesday. It is 1:30, I think, right now on a Wednesday, and it still feels like there should be more people walking here. They're still building something here. Construction's everywhere. Check out the Google building. Alright, well, didn't know they had a Google office here. That's a surprise. And here it is. Team store, so I guess another place where you can get jerseys and stuff down there. Google over here. Let's go check out the arena. It is a nice day for this today. You can see I don't have my hoodie or any jacket. It's pretty nice. It's pretty hot actually. Detroit Pistons. All right, guess I have to go here. So the Detroit Pistons play here. Where's the front entrance of this thing? Where is the entrance of this thing here? You see how empty it looks? Look, you don't even hear anything. There's not that much cars. Look. Everybody's at work, I guess. Everyone must be at work, because they're not here. It's early in the morning, sure. Well, afternoon. I guess at night it's going to be more packed. And I guess this is the entry. I guess this is where you would go in. All right, guys, so this is it, Detroit, Michigan. If you watch this, I'm sure this is gonna be like a short video because I'm not staying here long. So if you watch this, go ahead and subscribe, man. Like it, share it, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll check you again, all right? Thank you.